Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm going to set up my December planner for 2018. And I'm going to be using our Advent calendar printable, and this is going to be really fun. So just real quickly, the Advent calendar printable has our verses Isaiah 9:6, and it says, "For unto us a child is born." This is what it looks like when it's all done in my planner. And you can definitely use this you could print this out and put it in a frame and give it away for Christmas or whatever. There's all different things you can do with that. So there's the first printable that comes with the kit. Then you get your two planner layouts. Basically they go like that in your planner. They have the side margins as well. Then you get your 1 through 25 for your Christmas countdown. If you are doing Advent for 2018, you'd start on the 2nd, which is the Sunday, and that would be the start of Advent if you're doing Advent. If you're just doing countdown to Christmas, you can start with the number 1. Then you have your gift card envelopes, and you have your Bible journaling verses. So just real quickly to show you, with my Advent calendar, what I've done is I have my 25 of these little gift card envelopes printed out, and then I have labels. So the gift card envelopes are this printable here. So I printed out 13 of these sheets and then folded 25 of these little gift card envelopes. Didn't take very long, probably half hour, and I folded them up, and then I attached them with a paper clip and a string. And then I labeled them 1 through 25 using this label. Then I took the 25 days of Christmas and I put them, well, let me just show you. I put them on the back of the grid. So here's the grid, right? So the grid is this calendar here. So this is the grid part, right? That's what the grid looks like. And then what I did was I took all of the numbers. I looked and saw where my planner was and saw where the numbers were, right? So if I put this down on my planner, right, this one better have number 3 on it, right? And it does. Yay, we did it right. And then this one should have number 16 on it. So awesome. That's where, oh, number 9 fell off. I better glue number 9 back on again. So now that I have all of my little verses on the days that they go with, now I can cut it all out and put it in my Advent calendar, because the idea is that every day I can, so on day 1 I can pull out my Advent calendar and take out what is on it, and this is 1 Jeremiah 33:14, and then I can read that verse, and when I'm done I'll just glue it right here, and that'll create a very beautiful layout. Okay, that's the idea. But before I do that, I want to just decorate this entire planner so that I know at the end what it's truly going to look like. So I'm going to take the kit, which is this kit here, and I'm going to cut out these pieces. So I actually have already done that, but I didn't do a very good job. So I'm just going to trim them up a little bit more. Sometimes I don't do the nicest of all cut jobs. So I'm just going to trim that up. And then I'm going to place it in my planner. And that goes right here on the side. Now, if I want to keep the notes here, I can. I just trim it a little bit differently, but I'm not going to worry about that for December. So all I'm going to do is just add some glue. I could add the glue to the back, or I could add it to the planner. It doesn't really matter. And I have found that this glue, and it dries fast. So I'm just going to glue that down. Oops. You can already see it starting to disappear. It's that disappearing purple glue, and it disappears really fast. Okay, there. And I think by the time this lays down, it'll lay down right on top of that, so it'll look nice. You won't see that pink there on the edge. Okay, and then I want to do one of these, and I actually don't mind. I'm not going to worry about doing, oh, well, I guess I could. Let me just cut this so it looks nice. And then if I have a hole punch, see if I have one nearby. Is that a hole punch? Sure it is. I can see that that could be trimmed right about there. And you could definitely get better at, you know, making sure wherever you're putting yours is the exact measurement, but I'm not worried about it. So I could trim that right there, and it goes right about there. So let me add my glue. Whoa, that was a lot of glue. I think I was nervous about not having enough glue last time, so I went a little overboard. Ooh, glue. Lots of glue. Okay. Oh, thank goodness it dries clear, right? Okay, and then I'm going to add some glue to this as well. And then I can place that in there. I'm going to cover that pink as much as I can. A little bit too over on it. Just do the best job you can. Like, don't worry about perfection, right? Good enough. I guess I did that little hole a little bit too much, but that's okay. It'll be fine. I'll put something over it. I know what I'll do. I actually have some extra circles. Where are my extra circles? I have some extra circles that I cut out from here that I had on sticker paper. So we'll just cover that mistake up right there. Ta-da! Done. Looks great. Okay, and then I want to do this one here on this side. So this one I think will go like this. Yep. Cool. And then let's see if I got that to the edge. So I just want to, I'll just cut a slit there and not do the hole punch this time. And let's do the glue stick down. I'm more of a fan of stickers than the glue stick, so you can see I'm not like the most amazing glue stick person that ever walked the earth. That is not me. I'm a very messy crafter, so that's just me. Alright, so I'm going to just, I think I will do that little hole punch on the edge there. There. Phew. Awesome. Okay, so that's prepped, and it looks pretty good. Now, I have a set here that I believe this goes to. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that in since they're just blank anyways. Whee! Lots of glue. Probably too much glue. But it's not going anywhere. And if you print out the printable exactly as it is, it's designed to actually fit. It's designed to be 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, so it's supposed to fit perfectly. So hopefully it does. If it doesn't, I apologize. Okay, so then we have that, and I also want to do the word December. So I like that, and I'm going to cut that white part off. And I think I can come in later and add some more little, actually, what will we do? Let's see, what if we were to just distress the edge with just a little bit of leftover ink? I just think it'd be neat to kind of pop this out a little bit. But this is just copy paper. It's printed on copy paper. It's not fancy. And there's our label. And it looks good. I'm happy with it. It's popped out. Looks cool. I love it. Okay, great. So at this point, I'm going to speed up the video because I'm going to cut out each of these numbers here and I'm going to put them in my advent calendar or garland. And what that's going to allow me to do is every day I'll open up my advent garland and pull out the verse, and then I'll be able to use that, and then I can glue it onto the calendar. So I'm going to speed up through this video right now just so I can cut all these out. Okay, I am back and I have all of my advent calendar ready to go. So I've got all of my numbers, and so when day 1 comes and it's time for me to do my verse, I can just read the verse, plop it down. When day 2 comes, I can just take it out, read the verse and pop it down, and just continue to build out this really awesome, pretty advent planner this month. I hope that this was a fun video for you, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And if you are putting anything extra in your advent garland or advent calendar, I'd love to know. Put it in the comments below and share with us. I hope that you have a fabulous day. We'll talk to you soon. Goodbye!